Hello my dear friends, a very good evening to all of you. Well, this is Farheen Naz. I belong to Chainpur and I am standing here for my presentation. So before saying anything, I would like to pay my hearty thanks to my Honorable Sushil sir, who has given me this marvelous chance to speak before you. First of all, I would like to tell you about my qualification. I have completed intermediate in 2022 with 78% marks from BSB Board Patna and matriculation in 2020 with 82% marks from Indrasan Project Girl High School Jagaria, and I am preparing for BA Part 1 SVP College Bhabua. Now recently I am doing English language training class from Logans International Institute Bhabua, because Logans International Institute is very good institute. Get English is a very good way, and preparing for BPSC. Now I would like to tell you about my destination. I wanna become a block development officer because it's my dream, save and serve my country and enjoy my life. As far as my family concerned, I belong to business class family. My father is a very good graphic artist and my mother is a very good housewife. I have one brother and there are 8 members in my family. Now I would like to tell you about my hobbies. My hobbies are painting, singing, dancing, football, newspaper, tennis and motivational video. Now I would like to tell you about my favorites. First of all, I would like to tell you about my favorite book. My favorite book is the Constitution of India. The supreme law of the country, the supreme law of the country in a democracy system is the Constitution. The word Constitution has a French origin which is usually used to refer to law and order. The Constitution of India starts with a preamble phrases "We the people" and talks about the values of the Constitution, which are equality, liberty, secularism and fraternity. Indian Constitution is one of the longest constitution in the world. Our Indian Constitution consists of 395 articles, 12 schedules, 22 amendments, and 146,385 words in it. The Constitution of India was made on 26 January 1949 and was made the center of law 26 January 1915. The Indian Constitution is an amalgamation of the Constitution of France, Britain, Germany, USA and former USSR. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. He was main person behind the framing of the Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the head of the drafting committee, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar traveled across the world for many democratic countries to get inspiration to draft the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution was originally written in Hindi and English, and it is only longest handwriting constitution on earth. It took nearly 3 years to complete the Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India has been amended over 19 times The Constitution of India has been amended over 19 times in the last 60 years of India's independence. I would like to conclude by saying that the essence of the Constitution is what makes India one of the strongest nations in the world. Without such a robust Constitution, India would slip into a fascist and an authoritarian regime. Every government, irrespective and political ideologies and bent of mind, should obey the Constitution and follow the law of the land for healthy democratic Republic of India. Now I would like to tell you about my favorite game. My favorite game is the tennis, because I prefer tennis to any other game. Tennis is such a safe game. Tennis is a not risky game. A light game of tennis relieves you, brings you joy, fill you with relaxation of mind, and gives you exercise sufficient for your bodily health. Tennis is an popular international game. This game can be played. Minimum 2 or 4 players are required to play this game. There are 2 courts in tennis match. There is a strong net between tennis ground. It is played with a tennis and racket ball. Tennis is a physical sport that keeps us fit and active. Tennis is an ideal sport for a career and to stay fit. My favorite player is Sania Mirza because Sania Mirza is one of the best tennis player of India. She is born on 15 November 1986 in Mumbai. Sania Mirza's father's name is Imran Mirza and mother's name is Nasima Mirza. At the school time when Sania Mirza was just 6 years old, she starts playing tennis. Sania Mirza first started her career by participating in the World Junior Tennis Championships in 1999. After that started Sania Mirza played many tennis matches for India at the world level. She debuted her professional career in the year 2003. Sania Mirza is one the legend of tennis. Sania Mirza is always highlighted in media. Sania Mirza married Pakistani cricketer Shoaib Malik. She won 2003 Wimbledon Championships girls doubles title. She has won 6 Grand Slam titles in her career. For 2003 from 2003 until her retirement from singles in 2013. Sania Mirza was ranked by the Women's Tennis Association as India's #1 player. Sania Mirza was won 2 gold medals, 3 bronze medals from Asian Games. Being globally popular at the age of just 18, Sania Mirza awarded Padma Shri Award in the year 2006. Now I would like to tell you about my favorite leader. My favorite leader is Mrs. Indira Gandhi because Mrs. Indira Gandhi was a great national leader in Indian political history. In Indira Gandhi was first to date only female Prime Minister of India. In India, she is popularly addressed as the Iron Lady of India. Indira Gandhi was sole face of the Indian National Congress and daughter of the first Prime Minister of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Initially, she worked as an assistant of hostess of her father. Hostess of her father was later elected as president of Indian National Congress and member of Rajya Sabha. Indira Gandhi worked under cabinet ministry of Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri after her father died. She became the information and broadcasting minister in 1966. After the unexpected death of the then Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. Indira Gandhi came to power as the Prime Minister of India. She held the minister's office for 17 years. Mrs. Indira Gandhi was born on 19 November 1917 at Anand Bhavan in Uttar Pradesh. When we talk about Indian politics, she is still termed one of the most powerful characters. One of the most unforgettable actions was the war against Pakistan during in 1971, her tenure which helped Bangladesh get freedom. She even declared an emergency in India, which resulted in her downfall in 1977. Now I would like to tell you about my favorite scientist. My favorite scientist is APJ Abdul Kalam. As he carried out all his responsibilities, efficiently, APJ Abdul Kalam is not only a great scientist but also proved himself as a very responsible president. He was a genius and above all an extraordinary human being. He has inspired a lot of people through his writing and speeches, who touched the lives of everyone who worked with him, and he was all that a country could ask for. The full name of APJ Abdul Kalam was Abul Pakir Zainul Abdin Abul Kalam, and he was a great aerospace scientist, an ideal teacher, and 11th president of India, and also known as the and he was also known as the missile man of India, and he was born on 15 October on 1931 at 1931 Tamil Nadu Rameswaram, and he joined DRDO in 1958 as a scientist, and he joined ISRO in 1969, and every missile names Agni, Earth, Trishul, Sky, etc. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar awarded many awards, Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Veer Savarkar Award, etc. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam wrote many inspirational books like Wings of Fire, India 2020, Ignited Minds, Mission of India. Now I would like to tell you about my favorite movie. My favorite movie is Bajrangi Bhaijaan. This is my favorite movie since its release, entitled Bajrangi Bhaijaan, directed by Kabir Khan, started by Salman Khan and Harshali Malhotra and Kareena Kapoor Khan and Nawazuddin Siddiqui. The genre of this movie is action and comedy, and this is one of the most amazing film from Bollywood. It is a perfect emotional movies, and Salman Khan and little girl performed so well with their expression and emotion, and supporting characters did their job well. Now I would like to tell you about my strength. My strength is my parents, my teacher, and also my self-confidence. Because my parents always support me, and mostly my father always support me and motivate me. You can do any work, and always motivate me my goal. And my teacher always give me a good suggestion, and always teacher how you can become a success person in your life, and how you can become a responsible citizen. Now I would like to tell you about my experience. I have experience of tennis, I have experience of singing, and I have experience of dancing, and I have experience of, if you do any work, then feel in it, and you can get anything. If you have a desire, you can have it. Now I would like to tell you about my achievement. My achievement is my good parents, my teacher, and my good friends. I have achievement many things in my life, but my big achievement is I read in 5th class. First time I feeling the from Navode exam. I am not qualified, but I have learned many things. And second, my big achievement is when I have completed computer exam. That time my teacher awarded me by the smartphone, and that time I was come live news channel. And I have completed matriculation in intermediate with 78% marks and 82% marks in both condition, and I got first prize in my coaching and my school. And all thing happened with me because I know very well that time I have done hard work for first place. And third, my big achievement is Logans International Institute, because we learn English is the best way through the Sushil sir. Sushil sir is a very good person and very intelligent person, and many teachers how can you read and how can you write, but Sushil sir always teacher how you can invention and discoveries of science are the result of regular hard work. Progressively improving upon its own findings has enabled man to reach and walk on the moon. And a student who works regularly and systematically shows better results than the one who does not do so in the same way. A player who practices A player who practices on a regular basis on the field is much better than the one who does not. Great nations of the world like Japan, Germany and China have emerged strong only through hard work. Now I wanna share the point of view about Logan's International Institute. Before joining Logan's International Institute, I can't understand fluent English, but when I joined Logan's International, I can understand fluent English and I can speak very well English. And Logan's International Institute is very good institute to enhance our skill and communication, and this is good institute to learn English is the best way. Now I would like to read about this wonder of the world in the history book. I was very anxious to have a look at it when we were face to face with this moment. I was surprised to see the beauty of the Taj and beauty of the Taj and I was surprised to see the Mughal art, and I can never forget the memory of Taj. And I wanna pass out a message. If you have no confidence in self, you are twice defeated in the race of life. With confidence, you have won even before you have started. That's all. Thank you to listen me very carefully.